Hello YouTubers, it's me, Mad Butterfly here, back for another video. And sorry it's been quite a while since I last did a video. This is because I was busy doing other things and there was nothing really to film. But this is I am reviewing this amazing Virgin Atlantic, the Airbus A340-600. As you can see, this is the stand. It said the word Virgin on there, and then at the bottom Virgin Atlantic. And it's an official Airbus product, because it's got Airbus A340-600. It's in the 1/200 scale. As you can see, this is big. This is like giant. As you can see, it's got 4 engines. It's got 2 of them. Let me zoom in. 2 that says 4 engines for long haul, and they got it on the other side. And the registration for this is Golf Victor Sierra Hotel Yankee, like G/3 Psi. And it's and there's the slogan, "Mine's bigger than yours." That's probably Boeing. That's probably trying to make Boeing jealous that they made a bigger aircraft than Boeing. As you can see here, the wing tips. I've got the Union Jack logo on there, and there's the one of the old Virgin Atlantic liveries. And the best thing about this, it's even got landing gears. It's got a nose gear, it's got a belly gear, and it's got 2 wing gears. And the best thing about this is you can actually take it off its stand and you can set it down like that. There's 2 more in my collection that have got landing gears. You've got a Monaco Airlines Airbus A321 aircraft that have landing gears, and you've got the Emirates Airlines Airbus A380-800. And this, so yeah. There, that's it from me. Well, yeah, and if you've got a Skymarks airport, then this will make a perfect addition. Plus, this airport is extremely rare. It's an extremely rare model. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment in the description box, in the comment section down below, where you can actually what's your favourite Skymarks model. I'll just take you on a quick tour. You got this one is my favourite, and I also got 2 I got 2 different Air Force One models. One the Boeing 747-2B that's been converted into Air Force One, and you've got the Boeing 707-300 model that I will be doing a review on at some point. Don't you worry. I will make a Skymarks. Playlist at some point. So please remind me if I forget. I'm not sure if I did a review on this Jet 2 model yet, but I have to double check. And you've got this Emirates Airlines that I think I did a review, can't remember. I definitely remember doing a review on this, I'm pretty sure, but I'll double check again. And you got that one, I definitely did a review on this, I remember. And I've definitely done a review on that model. And I also did a review on that model. So there's quite a few aircraft that I can't remember I did or not. So I'll make sure them videos get done at some point. So please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on, so you won't miss any of my uploads in the future. So yeah, and that's all from me. Goodbye.